Maximizing a small kitchen space is all about smart organization and making the most of every inch. One effective technique is corner shelving. Often overlooked, corners can be transformed into valuable storage areas by installing custom shelves or using corner shelf units. These provide extra space to store pantry items or cookware, keeping counters clear. Over-the-door organizers are another fantastic solution. A simple shoe organizer hung on the back of a pantry door can hold spices, snacks, or cleaning supplies, effectively using space that typically goes to waste. For heavier items, consider a sturdy over-the-door rack that can handle pots and pans. Utilizing unused vertical space is crucial in a small kitchen. Think upwards and install tall cabinets or open shelves that reach the ceiling. This not only provides more storage, but also draws the eye upward, creating the illusion of a larger space. Consider adding hooks or magnetic strips under cabinets for hanging utensils, mugs, or even knives. This keeps essentials conveniently accessible without cluttering drawers and counters. The key is to rethink how you use your kitchen and find creative solutions to common storage problems. Implementing these space-saving hacks can transform even the smallest kitchen into a highly functional and organized space.